Good morning, friends. And today we are going to discuss about a new chapter that plays an important role. Before that, we will just recap what we have seen in the previous session. That was like group behavior. So, how to frame, how to form a group behavior, what is a groups like we have seen. Hope you all will remember what is a group and how to form a group and for what purpose we are going to frame the group and how the task should be given and how it should be communicated to each other and how it should be performed well. So that was the session what we have already seen, and today we are going to see some of the topic which is more useful. Like I will just before giving you the topic, I will just tell you the importance of this thing, and you have to find out what topic it is. See, whatever we do now, whether you drive, whether you brush your teeth, whether you take bath, whether you dress, whatever you do, right? Whatever the work you do in your personal activity, you should do it perfectly. Am I right? Especially when you dress yourself, when you tuck in your pant or shirt, or how you do, you look yourself uh, to be better. Or when you comb your hair, you should fit your comb in a better way. Effectiveness. So you have to perform well in everything. Your face should look good, and if any people are going for a gym, they want their body to be fit. So likewise we want cycling, when you do better. So whichever we start, we should do it better and best. Likewise, group, when the group has been formed and a team has been formed, that team should do an effective job to perform the task which has been given to you. So likewise, teamwork at Starbucks, what they do. So many examples I can tell you over here. How teamwork workouts. Now your Starbucks, it is a brand item. It's a brand company. So how they have good teamworks. So this slide completely says you about what factors they follow, what was their contribution towards each and every one individual as a team, what is the what strategy that they have adopted to do it effectively. Okay, so that Starbucks have structured, they have planned, they have developed, they managed to bring out good what to say essential things to develop the team, and what was the support that they got from the management for the team to develop themselves. So every from nook and corner, from the different corners, we need support. Okay, that is the fact that I wanted to tell you. And to improve the knowledge, as a team, like one may be good and one may have knowledge, one may not have the knowledge. So these are some of the criteria where we can improve ourselves to lead a better task. So first thing is we should describe about the nature of groups and the teams, and to distinguish among different types of teams. Okay, so we have to differentiate and distinguish ourselves: good, best, better, top, medium, top, low, medium. So likewise we segregate, isn't it? So likewise here the team has to be segregated into different things, and explain about the criteria which has been used for to evaluate the team effectiveness. ஸோ டீம் எஃபெக்டிவாக பண்ணணும்னா அவங்களுக்குள்ள இந்த இவாலுவேஷன் மெத்தட் எப்படி அப்படிங்கிறத பார்த்துருக்கணும். ஓகே, தென் ஹவு ஹவு இன் வாட் ஃபார்மேட் தி டீம் கேன் பி டெவலப்ட் அப்படிங்கிறத வந்து பார்க்கணும். ஸோ meanwhile when you see this picture, this group teams, you see, when you just zoom and see, this is the common threads, this is the common thread, but two or more independent individuals who influences one another. So group team அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன, இது ரெண்டுமே எப்படின்னா two or more independent individuals who influence one another, right? So here already we have seen in the previous previous session, that formal group, virtual teams, informed groups, identified groups. So likewise different groups are there. So each groups, what they do is they have to do virtual team technologies, audio telecalling, video communication, real-time electronic communication, different types of electronic communication, keypad voting system, group project management software, wireless communication devices, instant measurements, managing boards, web conferencing, blogs and websites. So all these are some of the virtual, that means which can bring good team to improve the technologies in teamwork. All right. So let me see this picture and say you a man is on the top and the man is the, so management what they should do is they have to support the virtual teams to come up to for their development as a team, right? So what are the functional areas that they have to come? இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ப்ரொடக்ஷன் டீம்ஸ் இருக்குது, டீம் சர்வீசஸ் இருக்குது, மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் டீம்ஸ் இருக்குது, ப்ராஜெக்ட் டீம்ஸ் இருக்குது, அட்வைசரி டீம்ஸ் இருக்குது. So many people are there. Why? Okay, now production teams na it is one team. Production teams na it is one team which has to undergo their own work under production level. Service na maybe they have to create a network and each and every segments that has to be done by the service teams. Management teams na higher levels, avanga enna பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா they will have a set of rules and regulations, they will have a set of strategies, they will have something to follow up. So that is very I think important things. Then project, அதாவது future plans, what already has been done, what today, what tomorrow அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து those people will take. Advisory teams, very important. So for the development of the organization we need some of the advisory boards to support, to give up more inputs about the development tasks, group informations, group techniques, group knowledge, or technology, everything together. Okay, so okay, out of all these things, we have a self-managing team. What is self-managing team? உனக்கு நீயே. Okay, who am I? Okay, do I have knowledge? Do I am effective? What should I do if I'm not effective? Okay, more worker satisfaction எடுத்துட்டு வரணும், lower turnover of absenteeism எடுத்துட்டு வரணும், ப்ரொடக்ஷனை வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணணும், then high quality of work should be controlled, then more engaged in the work, higher level of communication to be taken. So all these things are some of the important. So you see here, knowledge, affective, team, outcome, etc. are the many important things. So one by one if we talk, we can also have more number of important works. So we have to make diversified diversity, team composition, personality, good personality, team orientation, team structure, designing the work. So all these things, it plays an important role to improve good team roles. And when the rules are there, we are supposed to follow that in a particular way. So almost every set of designing the teamwork is very important, not only for this, for the entire world. The teamwork plays a valid role. So thank you so much. That's all for the day. You have to clearly understand about what is what. See here, I am again showing you the picture codes for you to follow. Okay, right. Thank you so much for your